Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan here, sometimes also known as the Rogue Meister. This is lesson number 4 in Rogue Thinking, and it has to do with a simple primer on tax rates. This is income tax rates. I would suggest these are all based, well, the great majority of them are based on my ebook that I have listed on Amazon called Rogue Thinking in the Age of Herd Mentality. Rogue Thinking in the Age of Herd Mentality. It goes for $1.99 on Amazon. Price of a small Starbucks coffee. I think you could afford it. It's not going to bust you, and it'll give you a different point of view in this economic, political environment that's governed by turbulence, chaos, and confusion. Get it? You may not always agree with what I have to say, but at least you'll get a different point of view. And you're going to get a different point of view now. This is a simple primer on tax rates. I'll read it and just give a comment or two and then end the video. Once you have combined federal and state marginal income tax rates above 50%, the individual is not working for themselves. They are working for government. They are becoming serfs of the state. Individuals want to work and better themselves and their families. This is common sense. You don't want to work for government. You want to work for yourself and your family, to better yourself so you can enjoy life. Smart individuals will pick more leisure time than working. You always have a choice between working and leisure. If the government is taking 50% or more of your marginal income through the income tax code, both state and federal combined, why kill yourself? Why kill yourself? You might as well just take more leisure time and enjoy life instead of working for government, because they're taking over half your income. As I say in the last sentence right here, why stress yourself out for government? You shouldn't. What we have now in this country with state and federal income taxes combined, the current tax code, and what the Biden administration is proposing, raising the marginal income tax rate back up to 39.6% for high earners, combined with state income taxes, Social Security, and investment tax, surtaxes, you'll have marginal tax rates well above 50%. Why should people kill themselves? They won't. It'll be counterproductive. You ever hear this law called the law of diminishing returns? That's exactly what you're going to get, the law of diminishing returns. If you want to get more income to government, lower taxes. Don't raise them. Give people the incentives to work, save, and invest for the futures. That's called entrepreneurship. Give people the incentives to start businesses and hire people. If you raise income tax rates high, which is what the administration wants to do, it becomes a roadblock. People don't want to invest their money when they have very little return after taxes. Why do it? You might as well enjoy yourself. You won't want to start businesses. If you want to get the economy galloping, then lower taxes. Lower them. People have more incentives to work, save, and invest. When I say invest, that means into new businesses. Entrepreneurship. That's the spark for the future. The small business person. Anyways, I talked long enough. Appreciate it if you could pass this video on to other people. And always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, stay solvent and may you prosper. I'll see you again. Take care now, folks.